Hello everybody, so we're using this high heels for mountain driving. Well, let's on, and then we're gonna on the everyone. Just kidding. So I have these shoes so that it's easy for me to sync the video which one is for this. So this is the shoes, and this is already played. And okay, we're gonna clip here in the sides. Hi everybody, so before we go on, how I install my camera is I put my mount in here, and I think you can see that this is the mount. You can just go to the mount section for the phone, and I have also this one. I don't know what's the name of this one, but this is a gift from my subscribers from Amazon. So he ordered this one, so it's kind of like, there is also like octopus mouse, and this is gooseneck mouse mount. So gooseneck mount, I just as far as I know, but then I'm not sure. I just like have this one from one of my follower, so I have to check first. Okay, and the cell phone is here. And also I have a dash camera. I have only 3 cameras. I use tripod to stand. I have this chair. So I tied up from this kind of chair in the head area. So I tied up from a kind of rubber, and then I put the tripod there to focus on my full view and also the highway view. So that's how I installed the camera inside the car. So I don't have to hold the camera. I just have to lock here in the front in the glass section. And also I have this I use Ekin, so it's very soft and very handy, and it's very light. So I have some spare from that one, but it's not really, the quality is not really good. So well, anyway, I have also this one. It's also from the subscribers. I only have to insert this here in the dash camera charger. It's a kind of a lighter mount. So you can splash there, or you can light with smoke or cigarettes. No, it's just like, I'm not sure if that's the term, but I think it's the lighter mount. I forgot. So yeah, this one I did not use this one, or because I have my dash camera for in case of emergency. I don't really use the dash camera for my upload because of the movements and some delay of the video. So I use cell phone, because with cell phone you have one full length of the video. You can sync in directly, and for Ekin it's easy also. But then my Ekin, I cannot delete the videos anymore. I don't know, maybe there's something in the settings that I need to check for that. But Ekin or GoPro, you can just do. And for me, I prefer cell phone because I film, like for example, for 30 minutes I have directly a video for 30 minutes, because with Ekin it's by 5 minutes. So I have to connect, I have to see which what intro for the video. And the good thing, before you film, you have to delete all your videos, then you have a fresh videos for the, or for syncing, when you sync the video, not sing, but sync the video. And then it's so easy, and also just empty for the memory also, that if you want to have a long drive, then at least your cell phone is empty, and then you can just make a lot of videos while driving in one day. So okay, foot brake and seatbelt. So we're gonna drive to the mountain. So now descending an uphill drive. So foot brake, drive, blinker left, and of course down. So from here, they're using a lot of brakes in this area, but for us, we're gonna just lower gear. You have to play with your feet in the brakes. You don't have to. So I have to stop.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.